Very clever, you fucking old cunt. Some dumbass just runs out from behind a van straight across the road in front of me. He didn't stop to look, he just ran straight across. As if, like a kid would. Fucking hell. It's the last thing I need, to kill some old guy before Christmas. It's just, they tried to go too complicated with it. And on top of that, there's shit that's missing from it that should have been in the base game. Like I said, you couldn't build pools. That was coming in a later expansion pack. Like, how stupid is that? Seriously? Speed it up, cunt!
Turn right in 5 toward...
Oh, Jesus. People almost had an accident because a Victorian drifted into another lane. As we go through the intersection, 3 lanes.
Yes.
Au saumon fumé.
C'est pas And what's it for a main? What choices?
4 different choices.
How many is that?
4.
And what would they be?
Un excellent filet de rouget avec une tapenade d'olive.
Roast chicken and potatoes. Yes. Something else?
Une poêlée de potager, des légumes de saison.
It's not a turning lane, it's a straight lane. You can't turn here. Fuck.
Sorry?
That was the vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Caesar salad.
This isn't a turning lane.
Something else?
Filet de pintade aux truffes.
You fucking idiot.
Really? You had that?
some fucking stupid cunt that just cut me off when I'm on the dirt to overtake me. There's not enough room there, but because I slowed down because there's a car turning right,
50 meters.
and I wasn't going to go around them on the dirt, this fucking cunt comes speeding up next to me and overtakes me. Almost hits me when he cut me off. Fucking asshole. I should follow him and go yell at him. So sick of dumbass fucking drivers.
Turn left.
Cunt.